I heard him say so and I heard him saying so. Which one is correct? Do not need to be worried about the grammar of these two sentences because two sentences are correct. There is no grammar mistake there, and they are grammatically correct. And there is a little difference between these two sentences, which we will learn in this video. So, without further ado, let's get started. I say him, I heard him say so. It means that I heard him saying the full statement. I heard the full statement from the beginning to the end. And so when I will say I heard him saying so, it means that I did not hear from the beginning to the end, but the ongoing action. I just heard the part of his speech or of his statement. So there is a little difference between these two sentences. I heard him say so, I heard him saying so এই দুটি সেন্টেন্সের মধ্যে পার্থক্য হচ্ছে I heard him say so এর মানে হচ্ছে আমি পুরো স্টেটমেন্ট বা বক্তব্যটি শুনেছি সে কি বলেছে তাহলে আমি বলবো I heard him say so আর যখন আমি বক্তব্যের কোনো একটি অংশ শুনেছি পুরো অংশ শুনিনি হয়তো বা শুরুতে কি বলেছে অথবা শেষে কি বলেছে এটি শুনিনি কিন্তু কোনো একটা অংশ শুনেছি সে বলতেছিল তাহলে তখন আমি বলবো I heard him saying so. So this is a this is the little difference that I found between these two sentences, and both are correct. So thank you for watching this video, and keep getting better and better every day. Assalamu